Now, I finally recovered from an unbelievable time at the Grahamstown festival, and it was remarkable what I discovered while I was there. Would you believe that there were about 19 versions of the cough? Now, I went to see this marvellous little piece of theatre called Life is Too Good to Be True, and I mean, there was a man there who really, obviously, took this to heart because he didn't want to be alive. He had one of those dry, irritable coughs that was like and of course every time this poor young boy tried to say anything on stage there was a then of course I went to go and see a production called Planet B, and the woman next to me had one of those phlegm coughs, phlegm coughs, which of course for people sitting next to her, it's very uncomfortable. It really felt like the little violent disease germs were waiting for an opportunity to escape from her mouth and jump into mine. There were a couple of very bold coughs. Yes, there was the master of the Cafe Society extremely bold cough, which seemed to start in the chest. And of course the problem with the bored cough is that it's quite contagious. It's quite contagious. And then of course there was the combination nodding off to sleep, oh my goodness, I'm awake, grunt cough. And that was one of those and I must confess I did make one of those myself.